God planned the plan of redemption from the beginning of the world. And it wasn't until the time was right that Jesus came. But when Jesus came, he opened the door to us to enter into God's presence. In Ephesians, it tells us that we're accepted in the beloved. And the thing about Jesus, when you look at it in Hebrews chapter 1 and verse 3, it says he was an exact representation of God. What Paul preached was revelation of the risen Lord, revelation of our redemptive rights in Christ Jesus. Hebrews chapter 9 talks about Jesus being the high priest of good things to come in verse 11. Paul preached the revelation of those good things that Jesus came and presides over as our high priest. God has all kinds of good things planned for your life.